Hey guys, it's New Year and I think it's good things to show you where I buy my props for food photography, which shops I visit, what I recommend to buy for your product and food photography, the prop, what you can use all the time, and we visit few shops today. First place what we visit today, how you know and see, you probably recognize, that is IKEA. You have beautiful chopped board here. What is no shining, is matte, is perfect for photography. You can use dark mode photography or different, show the veggie, amazing. When you start photography New Year, it's perfect to practice. You can buy something different, bigger, smaller, the same. And one thing what is, IKEA is cheap. You can buy from £3 to £50 for each board. This was first place we visit today. Like you see, you can buy few things like glass, chopped board, beautiful ceramic for not so much money. But now we go next shop to visit. Let's go. Another place what we visit today is Home Bargain. Let's go to see what we can find there. Before I visit this flat, Wilko, to buy my props for photography, but now, like you see, Wilko is closed, no more exists. Was good shops with a lot of different stuff and cheap stuff. I can always buy here, but now we go to Dunel. I show you what you find there because it's one from my favorite shops. Now I take you for my last shops, and this is my favorite shops, is TK Maxx, like you see. So I always buy and I always have discount for my props, and I love this shop the most. Today we visit few shops what I really recommend if you're looking for good props for your photography and you don't want to spend so much money. Each shop show you can choose something for you. You can find interesting stuff for your photography for not so much money.